Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Gemini AI with Google Workspace. Open Gemini AI's website and log in here. Click on the settings option shown at the bottom left of the screen. Select the extensions option and scroll down to enable the Google Workspace option. After that, click on New Chat shown on the left side. In the chat box, type @ and select Gmail. Now, type review all of my unread emails from the past 2 days and identify the 3 that are most important. Send it and it will show you the answer. It has found 20 emails from the past 2 days that still need to be read. It has also shown me the email as a source. You can also use it for Google Drive by just typing @ and then choosing Google Drive. Then type the doc file last year and summarize its details in 5 bullet points. After that, it will show you the bullets and Google Drive as a source. You can export it as a doc or save a draft in Gmail. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.